Yes, my friends, the new Dark World structured deck. Yes. What was it, been 10 years since we got one of these? Man, I can't wait to get this one open. I know, upgraded. Can it play against the meta? Don't know. We'll see. But guys, with us for a while. I think it's like 45 cards. 37 commons, 5 ultra rares, and 3 super rares. So yeah, this is going to be a nice unboxing. It says, yeah, reload at the bottom. Yeah. So, before we get started, guys, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button at the bottom. And let's get this thing open, guys. The Dark World.
Alright, here we are, guys. The Dark World structure deck reloaded. Let's get to it, guys. Let's get to it. See the playmat right here. Kind of dark. Really dark looking deck we got here. But let's do it. Let's do it. I know you're gonna say I don't, but I do try not to look at the back. That way I can maybe surprise myself when I do these unboxings for y'all. That's the fun part. So you can play map. There we go. Awesome. Awesome play map, guys. Back. Deck. See, Rain, Yugioh, everything Dark World. I had Dark World deck. It's solid. They're solid cards. Let's go from top. Rain, Yugioh, Overking of the Dark World. Beautiful card. Dark World Puppetry. Dark World Archives. Grapha, Dragon over the Dark World. Beautiful card. Dark World Accession. Jinta, Gateman of Dark World. Parl, Hermit of Dark World. Dark World Punishment. Rain Yugioh, Overlord of Dark World. I got him. Lucent, Nether Lord of Dark World. Latiman, Edshirts of Dark World. Gold, Wu, Ward of Dark World. Silva, Warlord of Dark World. Braun, Mad King of Dark World. Beach, Vanguard of Dark World. Bro, Huntsman of Dark World. Scar, Scout of Dark World. Khaki, Gorilla of Dark World. Grin, Tactician of Dark World. Ceruli, Guru of Dark World. Zur, Knight of Dark World. Red, Gatekeeper of Dark World. Danger, okay, crap. Danger Bigfoot. Now we're getting to it. Danger Thunderbird. Danger Mothman. Danger Tsnoko. Leaf Lady of Lament. Okay, guys, we got danger cards here. I did not see that one. Fabled Raven. Absolute King Backjack. Dark World Dealings. Classic. Charge into Dark World. Gateway to Dark World. Dark World Lighting. Drag Down to the Grave. Another classic. Another classic card. Destruction. The Forces of Darkness. Dark World Brainwashing. Mind Crush. Dark Smog. Deck Devastation Virus. Another classic. Parasiarch. Demonchus, that's how you say it. Skill Drain, of course, a classic. Grapha, Dragon of Dark World. How can we not have this guy in the Dark World deck? Right. Snow, Unlock Dark World, and the Gates of the Dark World. Okay, yeah. Solid pools in here. Danger cards. I didn't know we were getting those. Nice boss monsters as well. Really good artworks. Love the artwork on these games. But yeah, guys, there's your Dark World deck. And I appreciate you guys for watching. And stay tuned next time. Thanks.